Hello guys, and welcome to Overland Garage, and we're going to start a mini series, or let's just say a different type of playlist, because I have a lot of playlists. And so the name of this is Tech Talk, not to be confused with TikTok. That's a whole different thing that we're not getting into, but this is Tech Talk. This is where we're going to talk about product reviews. We're going to talk about trips planned, you know, technical things, anything you want to talk about. But instead of having all these different playlists, like all of those that just popped up, I'm just going to make one group, and all that stuff will kind of be combined in that. I'll still have the playlist, but if you want to go to one place for all the product reviews, all the technical things, this is going to be your spot. So I hope you guys stick with me and stay tuned for Tech Talk on Overland Garage. Thank you. So today we're going to be talking about the Maxi Trac. I think it's Maxi Trac. I'll verify that. But this is an 8-foot by 8-foot wide awning, and I'm pretty impressed with this thing. Not to be confused with an ARB awning or a box swing awning, but for $100, you really can't go wrong with this thing. I mean, it is awesome. And we're going to talk about why an awning is an important thing on an overland trip. Well, first of all, the reason why I like an awning is, you know, you wake up, you want to have a nice cold soda, and 150 million. Let's just face it, you don't want to stand out in the sun and drink that because it's all warm. And hot soda is nasty. So I was out at the old Napa Auto Parts, and it's like a Father's Day sale. And I saw this thing sitting on the shelf and said, uh-oh, lost your microphone. That's important. Saw this thing sitting on the shelf and I said, well, I gotta have that because, you know, $100, how do you go wrong with that? So I picked up this bad boy, and we're gonna talk about it. So hang in there. So first off, you're gonna notice is it's got two nice legs over here, and it's got these poles right here that extendo out there, and they're real easy. They just tighten like that. So you adjust the height, turn them, and they're tight. Got a couple of strings here with some tent stakes, and that's pretty much it. I mean, you got the Velcro that holds the thing tight, and this is I think this is actually almost more rugged than the tent material that's right behind me. But it's like a vinyl slash polyester slash canvas type of material, and the entire inside of this thing has got that waterproofing on it. It's really nice because it's 8 feet long, so literally you could set up a camp table and chairs. I mean, I got a little secret. This table is out of a Honda CR-V. It's a spare tire carrier cover, and if you didn't know that, all Honda CR-Vs have this in them unless they're brand new. But they used to put this in there. It's a little picnic table. Anyways, so I wanted something that would cover, like you want to cook dinner or something and you want some shade, or you kind of need like a changing area. You could put like a screen on this, or you could put a cover on one side, and you could use this as like another room. So it's nice to be able to sit in the shade, enjoy your meal while you're out camping, overlanding, and kind of have your own little private awning on the side. You're probably asking yourself one question. Passenger side. Here's why, and I'll tell you. Let's say you get a flat tire, and you're on the side of the road, and it's a passenger tire. This is not a perfect scenario, so stick with me. But say you get the passenger side tire flat. Well, you wouldn't want the on the other side of the truck because that's the car side. This is the kind of safety side. So if you have some people with you and they're getting hot in the truck and you want to get them out of the truck, you could open this awning and they could be kind of comfortable under here and not be burning up in the hot sun. That's kind of why. Not really any other reason why. I could have put it on the driver's side, but I kind of wanted it off the passenger side just because it's a safety thing. You don't want to be on the driver's side if something were to go wrong. Now, this doesn't open every single time on the passenger side, depending on location. That's kind of a scenario. Also, you get out of the passenger side of the truck and you can walk around and throw all your gear under here and not have to worry about like getting out of the driver's side and tripping over stuff and trying to cook, and it's kind of its own private location. So that's the reason why. Now, personally, up until this time, I'd never heard of the company Maxi Trac, and they're not a well-known company, but I'm happy with this product. I've used this product probably 2 weeks now, and I will say that the construction is pretty good. The only thing I would improve on it is the rigidity of the poles. They seem to be a little weak, but what are you going to get for $100? I think I'm actually going to buy another one and keep it just in case this breaks, because I could buy 5 of them before I was at the price of an ARB one. Also, it rolls up. It goes back inside its little storage container. It's got some nice Velcro straps, and you literally fold the legs in, fold it all up, Velcro it, zip, done. So it's not like it's a 5-hour project to set it up. It's like 5 minutes, literally. You can do this by yourself, but I recommend setting it up with a friend so you don't like over there doing the old dance trying to set this thing up. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It's not like it's rocket surgery or anything. It's a simple setup, quick and easy, and for the money, 8 feet by 8 feet, you're not gonna find a better deal. So, sitting with me for a second, talking about this awning. What are my plans for this? Well, I didn't really think it through, but it's kind of something I didn't have on the truck already, and I was like, I need that. Not really, but it's kind of a luxury item, really. If you think about it, how many things do you actually use all the time? Not many, but this is perfect because in Maine, if you know anything about Maine, if you don't like the weather, just wait a minute. But the weather can change also at any minute, and you can be out there, nice sunny day like today, and then bam, raining. Ah! And you're like, what do I do now? So, awning is a must. Another thing I like about the awning is sometimes you just want some shade and comfort. And the awning gets you out of the hot sun. It gives you a little bit of that kind of a home feeling, like you're out on your porch. And there's just something about that kind of warms your heart. And not gonna lie, I like the shade. Not a big fan of the heat. I'm more of a winter guy, so this is definitely a must. If you're gonna go out camping and overlanding, you're gonna want an awning. Now, let's talk about real quickly the different types of awnings. Now, there are a few types of awnings that you should look at. If you're gonna get an awning, you might want to consider depending on what you're doing. So in my application, it didn't really matter because I have the rooftop tent that opens on the driver's side. And then I didn't want to put the rooftop tent facing over the tailgate because of my spare tire swing out, and I didn't really want that tire swing out wiping out my ladder some night while I'm sleeping on my tent. So it was kind of a no-brainer. Put the awning on the passenger side, put the driver's side for the rooftop tent for the ladder. Now eventually I'll probably get what's called a box swing awning, and that is one of those awnings that literally looks like a bat wing and it comes all the way out. So it'll start on this side, it'll go all the way around the truck until it's about 3/4 of the way. So it'll almost run into the tent, but it'll stop. So there's a few types of awnings. There's one traditional like this, box swing or bat wing, some people call them. And then every single one of these awnings has what's called a zip grip, or an easy slide inside of them. So you could, on either end, so you could literally buy this canvas and you could put another wall on this. They sell screens for them. So the choices are endless. With an awning, you can make it a screen. So you can then close it. It's really a good and practical way to get out of the elements, potentially get out of the bugs, have a changing room, and just a little piece of comfort. So, is it practical? Yes. Is it affordable? It is now with Maxi Trac. So, yeah, they didn't pay me to put this video together, but I just couldn't get over how inexpensive the awning was, and I decided I need to have one. So I really do appreciate the support, and we're going to continue to do this series called Tech Talk with our product reviews and our technical advice. So thank you for watching Overland Garage. Throw a comment down there. Let me know what you guys are using. Maybe you like the ARB better. Maybe you have easy on awnings. I don't know. Throw a comment down there. Let me know what you think. And while you're at it, ring the little bell for me and get notified and hit subscribe. So thanks for watching Overland Garage. I'm Ben, and we're gonna go out and build and explore, and we're gonna be using this real soon. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.